Hey everyone, I'm bored, and you know why. You all know why. But I got these sugar cookies. I got them from Walmart.com. They delivered them because I didn't want to go out. And I thought it'd be cool to turn these into rainbow sugar cookies. So that's what we're doing today. Also, this hat is hiding the mess underneath. Can you tell? So the thing that I like about this is that it's already portioned. So these three are going to be red. We've got orange, yellow, green, baby blue, blue, purple, and these are going to be pink. So we got our first three, and we're just going to add red. How much red? I don't know. That might be too much. That might not be enough. We're just going to squish it. Wear gloves so your hands don't get dyed red. Ugh, it's going to be disaster if it does. So we got orange, and now I'm going to work on yellow. So all I have to create now is pink. Hey! All of our colors are done. Now the next step is to, I don't know, because this is as far as I thought this out, so let me think on this for a little bit. Alright, I got a plan. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take each of my colors and cut it in half to equal sizes. How equal? I don't know. Maybe one side's a little bit bigger than the other. That's fine. It's not that important. So I'm going to take each color and roll it into a log. Just like this. And I'm going to roll this log right next to the other log that's the same size. And we're going to take a spatula and just do this. Come on, stick. So last log, I got pink, and I'm going to put it on the end. I think it looks pretty that way. Ooh, look at that. Okay, do your job. Stick, come on. Don't make this harder than it already is. That's just... Ta-da! So I put it back in the container it came in. I'm going to put this in the freezer for a little bit so that it can stiffen up, and then I'm going to work with it a little bit more. Now for the second batch of colors, I thought that I would do something different just because I don't know what I'm doing, and let's try something else. Alright, so for the second batch, because the batter is really loose, it's like so hot here in LA. I put them in baggies, and I'm just going to pipe out my strip of cookie dough like that. Ooh, this looks so much better already. Last of the colors, you guys. Ooh, look how straight that line is. So here's our rainbow cookie dough. I'm just gonna pat them down just a little bit, and then I'm going to put them in the freezer so that they can stiffen up. And I'm just gonna cut out some squares. Yeah. So I took our first batch out of the freezer, and I thought I would just like roll it into, I don't know. I don't know. I can't even do this with one hand. Hold on. So I rolled it into this very cool log and just twisted it while I was rolling it. With both hands. You can't do it with one hand. Now I'm just going to cut out discs of, hopefully it's rainbow discs. So when you're cutting these, you want to make sure that you clean your knife after every slice, or you'll end up with this. Don't do this, alright? You don't need this in your life. So all of our tiny cookies are ready to be put in the oven. Look how much purple is on that one. Oh, I'm not a fan of that. Now for these, I'm actually going to cut them into rectangles, and then I'm going to double them up because I'm pretty sure that they're going to spread in the oven. Wow, guys. Now I like the way that these look compared to these. These look like grocery store cookies, but let's see how they bake. Ba-bam, you guys. Here are our two different types of rainbow cookies. What do you think? I'm not digging this, but I love this. These look delightful. So these don't look terrible, right? I mean, you got the separation of color. I just don't like it though. But yo, I'm digging this. Look at that. I'm digging this. Look at that. Look at the separation color on this. And the shape is nice. It looks like one of those pebbles that would skip really well on a calm lake. I'm feeling it. Right. Which one do you guys like better? Do you like these or do you like these? Say you'd like these. Remember, when you take pictures of your food, place it next to a window And it looks low-key professional. Right. Which